Exactly 7 years ago, I arrived in the Netherlands with nothing but suitcase and hunger to code. Back then, if you knew React and TypeScript, you were a god. You were safe. But lately, the messages I'm getting from friends, people with 10, 12 years of experience, are terrifying. They're getting ghosted, not by startups, but by the entire industry. The reality we have to face is this: being a senior coder is no longer a career mode. It's becoming a commodity. If your value is just writing clean code, you are already competing with a machine that doesn't sleep and costs $20 a month. We have spent years mastering syntax, libraries, and frameworks, but AI has flattened the playing field. A junior developer with a good prompt can now produce the same volume of code as a senior did 3 years ago. This creates a dangerous mud for companies. Why pay a senior salary for someone who is just a faster version of AI-boosted junior? This is where the anxiety comes from. This is why people are looking for a plan B. But there is a way to stay indispensable. It requires moving from being a coder to being a technical lead. To survive next 7 years, you have to build a moat that AI can touch. Here are the 3 pillars of the new senior. AI can write a function perfectly. It cannot, however, understand the long-term trade-offs of distributed system. A tech lead is paid for the why, not the how. You need to focus on architecture, how places fit together so they don't collapse under debt into 2 years. This is huge. Companies don't just pay for a code. They pay for someone to stand behind the product when it breaks. An AI can't take responsibility. A tech lead is a human in the loop who has the scar tissue from past failures to prevent future disasters. AI doesn't understand good feelings or a nuance of stakeholder meeting. Your value is now in translating messy human problems into clean technical requirements. You aren't a translator, you are an architect of solutions. In my last video, I talked about my plan B going back to my first love, electronics. This isn't just a hobby, it's part of the strategy. In a world where the digital space is flooded with AI-generated noise, the physical world, hardware, smart systems, tangible tech becomes a unique mode. Diversifying your context makes you a better architect. It gives you perspective that pure web dev doesn't have. The senior title isn't a destination you reach and stay at. It's a role you have to redefine every few years. Next 7 years will be unrecognizable. But if you stop trying to be a faster coder and start becoming a better decision maker, you will be the one leading the transition. What are you doing to AI-proof your career? Let's talk in the comments. And if you're navigating this shit with me, hit that subscribe button. We are in this together. I will see you in the next one, guys.